Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download Monopoly Go on your PC. So if you want to play Monopoly Go on your PC, you need to download an emulator. So for those people who do not know what an emulator is basically a software which allows you to run mobile games on your PC. Now since Monopoly Go is only available for mobile, you need to download the emulator to run a mobile in your PC. So the emulator I suggest you is BlueStack. So search for BlueStack download and then click on the first option. Once you click on the first option, it'll take you to this page. Now you can download this BlueStack by clicking on download BlueStack. Now if BlueStack 10 doesn't work on your PC, make sure to download BlueStack 5. After you download and install BlueStack, your BlueStack will open up and a BlueStack is going to open up just like this. Now inside your BlueStack you will see a Play Store. Now the interface is going to be similar to your mobile. So just click on Play Store and log in into your Play Store. Once you log in into your Play Store account, your Play Store will open up regularly just like how it opens up on your phone. At the top, you can search for Monopoly Go and download and install it. So just search for Monopoly Go and Monopoly Go will show up over here just like this. Click on install and your Monopoly Go will start to install. Once it completes installing, you can start playing it. So that is how you guys can download and play Monopoly Go on your PC. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. See you guys next time.